What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple tool that finds jobs that fit your skill and work history automatically right here in Claude. So let's get started. To build our tool right here in Claude, we're going to paste a prompt that will be responsible for building our tool for us. The tool, we're going to use it to find actual jobs that fit our skill and work history. Build the tool. We're going to paste our prompt right here. I've gone ahead and written down these prompts we're going to use to generate our tool for us. Our tool is going to be called AI Job Finder, or we can give it for AI to generate our name for us. Our tool is going to have two key pages. The first page is the search page. This is where we're going to input jobs that we like to find. We can include more details as much as possible. Output is going to be added into a dashboard. It's going to be our output. We're going to have all these data right here, like the job title, company, salary, location, employment type, when it was posted. Then we're going to also give it a score to see if we are qualified to apply for the jobs. Also going to provide the job details. Then we're going to more details on the design of the dashboard on our tool and some important facts so like added to our tool. So I'll copy these prompts, paste it right here. Then I'm gonna hit send message right here to create our tool right here in Claude. Let's give it a second for it to create our tool for us. So now, if you're interested in this prompt, just comment down below the comment section the word prompt, and I'll send you these comprehensive prompts that you can use to create and build your own job search tool. So here, we're going to give it a few seconds for it to create our tool for us. So here, you can see it successfully built our tool for us from these comprehensive prompts that we pasted right here in Claude, which is amazing. So it named the tool Signal. This is amazing. So the tool has a search page and a dashboard. It provides the details of the jobs. This is amazing. So let us try using the tool. To do that, I'm going to expand it right here to use the tool. You can see the layout of the tool. Here, we can describe our jobs in plain English for you to find our jobs for us. So we're going to start with a simple prompt right here just to test the tool to see if it works. So we're telling it find me 7 graphic designer jobs from the United States. Yeah, I'm gonna hit find jobs. Give it a few seconds for it to find our jobs for us. After searching for 7 graphic designer jobs in the United States using our tool, it's gonna give us an output right here. So we searched and found 4 jobs only instead of 7. So it found a total of 10 and filtered the results and gave us only 4 instead of 7. I guess it works. And also we kind of wanted it to be a new page where it's taking us to the dashboard, but I guess so this one works perfectly. We're searching over here and then we're getting the results down below right here. I guess it works, which is incredible. So we were searching for graphic designer jobs open in the United States. We found a total of 4 jobs. 2 were strong matches, 2 were excellent matches, averaging a salary of $116,000. We can filter the jobs by best match, most recent and highest salary right here. We can also filter all jobs, excellent jobs. Here you can see we have 2 strong jobs, worth considering all low match jobs. So we're only getting excellent and strong jobs right here. This is amazing. And then now down below we can preview our jobs. So we were searching for graphic designer jobs. You can see we got a graphic designer job from NVIDIA. This one's from World Travel Holdings. This one's from Central Park Conservancy, and this one's from 44 Farms. This is incredible. And then on each job, we're getting the location, the company, the location, salary per year, whether the job is going to be part-time or full-time, and when it was posted. And then here you can see the reason why it matches us right here. This is incredible. You can see the title of the job, company and the location, salary per year. It's a full-time job, when it was posted, and the percentage of match, which is in this case it's 92%. So we definitely match this job. Our skills match this job. You can see the overview of the job right here. Key responsibilities, required skills, preferred skills, the experience, strengths, and potential gaps. We can also preview the original listing of this job right here by clicking this link right here. Then click on open link to preview and see if it's an actual job. We can see it is an actual job that was posted by this company in video. This is amazing. So this is the actual job that it found for us right here. You can preview and see the details right here. Salary is 132. You can see right here. So this is the actual job. So this is a real job that was posted in this site that our tool found for us right here. So that was for the one tool. You can preview the details of the second job right here. You can see this percentage of match was 88%. Getting the title of the job, company, location, salary, when it was posted, the overview, responsibilities, required skills, preferred skills, experience level, strengths, and potential gaps right here. Preview the original listing. I will click this link right here and open the link. You can actually see that this is an actual job that was posted by this company right here. Here are the details of the job. This is amazing. Same with this job right here, 4% match. And this one right here, 79% match, and we're getting the job details right here. This is amazing. So by using this simple tool that we just created right here, in a matter of minutes, we are able to find specific job listings and then outputting the job listings right here. This is amazing. You can do a new search right here and try finding new jobs. We can try finding SEO specialist jobs that pay more than 50,000 a year. To find the jobs, I'll hit find jobs right here. Give it a second for it to find our jobs for us. So here you can see successfully found our jobs for us right here. This is amazing. Found a total of 4 jobs right here. One was a strong match and 2 were excellent matches. The jobs, they average a salary of $79,000. Here we can saw the jobs either by best match, most recent, and highest salary. Right here, you can also filter the jobs either by excellent, strong, worth considering, and low match. Shows all right here. And here we can preview our 4 jobs that it found for us. So here you can see this. We can start with the first one right here. So the SEO specialist job from this company right here in this location. Salary is $90,000 to $100,000 a year. It's a full-time job. It's active, and this is a 95% match depending on our skills. Here's the overview of the job. Here are the key responsibilities for the job. Here are the required skills, preferred skills, experience level, strength and potential gaps. Then to preview the jobs from the original listing, I'm going to open this link right here. Scroll down below right here, you can see this company is offering the SEO specialist job right here. This is amazing. So the pay details is 90 to 100K a year. Here you can get more details on the job right here by reading right here. This is amazing. Right here, you can preview the second job right here, get its details. So this is the job from this company in this location. There's the salary per year, full-time job, and we have an 88% match. Here's the overview of the job, key responsibilities, required skills, experience level, strengths, and potential gaps right here. To preview the original listing, I'm going to open this link right here. Click on it. And here you can actually see that this is an actual job listing that has been posted in this site by this company. You can see the details of the job, including the salary per year of the job. So these are actual job listings from these specific companies. So we're getting the name of the company, location, salary, if it's a full-time job, match, the overview, responsibilities, required skills, preferred skills, experience, strengths, and potential gaps. Same with the last one right here. This is amazing. So we successfully scraped these 4 jobs using this simple tool that we created right here in Claude. This is amazing. We can try finding a couple of more jobs. We can try finding 4 web developer jobs that pay more than $120,000. To find the jobs, I'm gonna hit find jobs right here. So here you can see successfully found our 4 web developer jobs that pay more than 120,000 a year. Here you can preview the 4 jobs. It's amazing. So it's found the 4 jobs. One was marked as strong match, and then 3 were marked as excellent matches. The average salary for the jobs is $161,000 every single year. Then you can sort the jobs either by best match, most recent, and highest salary. You can take it a step further and filter the jobs either by all, excellent, strong, worth considering, and low match. Here. Then when you click on the job, you can preview the details of the job. So here you can see the name was posted by this company right here in this location. Pays 120 to 250,000 a year. It's a full-time job. It's active as of August 2026, and we have a 95% match with this job. Here's the overview of the job. Here are the key responsibilities. Here are the required skills, preferred skills, experience level, strengths, potential gaps. And if you wanted to preview the original listing of this job, all you have to do is click this link and open the link right here. And here you can see it's an actual job posted by this company right here. This is amazing. You can get into more details on the job. So that was the first job. Here's the second job with its details right here. And the overview, key responsibilities, required skills, preferred skills, experience level, strengths, potential gaps. And for the original listing, all you have to do is click this link and open it right here to preview the actual job. Same with the third job right here. You can see the job and its details. And the last one right here. This is amazing. So our tool works perfectly so far, and I love it. We can try finding a couple of more jobs one last time using our tool. You can find our data analyst jobs that pay more than let's say pay more than $80,000 every single year. To find the jobs, I'm gonna hit find jobs right here. Give it a second for you to find our jobs for us. So here you can see it successfully found our 4 data analyst jobs right here using this simple tool that we created right here in just minutes. This is amazing. So here I search for the data analyst jobs paying more than $80,000. Found 4 jobs. One was marked as strong match. 2 are marked as excellent matches. The average salary for these jobs is $215,000. It's amazing. And here you can see the 4 jobs. You can filter the jobs either by best match, most recent, and highest salary right here. It's amazing. You can also proceed and filter the jobs either by excellent, strong, fit, worth considering, or low match. It's amazing. And now to preview the jobs, all you have to do is just click the job right here. Click the job right here. And you get the job, company that posted the job, and the location. So getting the salary, if the job is full-time or part-time, and the match. And you can see the overview of the jobs, key responsibility, required skills, preferred skills, the experience level, the strengths, and potential gaps right here. To view the original listing, I'm going to open this link right here and open it. And here you can see this is an actual job that was posted by this company right here. Here's a data analyst job. Here are the details of the job. Same with the second job right here. You can see the actual job, company that posted the job, and the location of the job. You can also see the salary here if the job is a full-time job, and the match right here. You can also see the overview of the job, key responsibilities, required skills, preferred skills, experience level, strengths, and potential gaps. To view the original listing of the job, click this link and then open the link right here to view the job listing. Same with the third job right here. You see the position, company that posted the job, and the location, salary, and the match. You can also see the overview, key responsibilities, required skills, preferred skills, experience level, strength, potential gaps, and the original listings link. Same with the last one right here. This is amazing. So this one was posted by this company, by this university. You can preview the job by opening the, and here you can see this was an actual job listing that was posted by these university right here. You can see the actual job with all the details right here, including your salary, what is required, and the responsibilities. This is amazing. We successfully found these 4 data analyst jobs automatically using this simple tool that we created right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.